Hello all, welcome back to another video and thank you all for the support. If you are new here or not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Today let's see how to install Arduino IDE and how to import or install any libraries to work with your project. As a first thing, let us see how to download Arduino setup file and then how to install it. Search for Arduino official site and click on the first link that appears in search list. Once landed in the home page, click on software, then scroll down to downloads. Under download options, click on Windows, Linux or Mac OS based on your PC or laptop configuration. In my case, I am working with Windows laptop, hence clicking on Win7 and newer link. Once clicked, you will be navigated to donation page. If you wish, you can donate or you can click on just download where your setup file will get downloaded. Once downloaded, you can start with your installation just by double clicking on the setup file. Agree to the terms and condition. You can choose which components needs to be installed. In my case, I left with the default selection since I need them all. Then click on next. It will show you the destination folder to be installed. Leave it with default location and don't change anything and just click install. Based on the components selected in previous page, a pop-up may appear whether to install supporting components. If anything appears, click on install and let the setup complete. Once the setup completes, click on close button and check for a shortcut created in desktop. If you don't see the Arduino shortcut in desktop, search with the keyword Arduino and it will appear. That's it. You have your laptop or PC installed with Arduino IDE now and you can start programming. And now let's see how to import or install any library for Arduino project. Because simply having the Arduino IDE installed is not enough to do certain projects. So you might require some additional library files to be imported with your IDE. There are two ways to import any libraries for your project. You can follow any one of this procedure but not both. Let's see them one by one. Download library and import it. For instance, I have taken Adafruit GFX library which will be used for OLED display projects. We have done several projects and the link is in the description. Kindly check it out if you are interested. Open any browser, search for Arduino Adafruit official library, then scroll down to find the correct URL, then click on it. Once landed in official site, scroll down to release and click on latest one where your zip file will get downloaded. Then open Arduino IDE which you have installed already in your PC or laptop. Click on Sketch, Include Library and add Zip Library. Browse through your downloader location and select the file and click on Open. Then a success or complete message will appear at the bottom of the Arduino IDE. The second way is to install through Arduino IDE. Open Arduino IDE, click on Sketch, Include Library and Manage Libraries. A new pop-up window will get opened. Then search for Adafruit GFX. It will list out all the available library. Then click on Install button. In my case, I have installed that library already, so it's showing update button. That's it guys, you are done with all your setup and good to go ahead with further implementation or coding for your project. If you are interested, we have done several Arduino projects using OLED like object tracking bot and radar projects. I have given the link in description. Kindly check it out and please consider subscribing to this channel. Till we meet in next video, I wish you all a happy and healthier life. Bye bye, take care.